what is Wi-Fi and what are the important properties of Wi-Fi. So in simple fashion to say, Wi-Fi refers to wireless fidelity. Fidelity means connection. When you establish connection with respect to without any wires, so then that kind of thing is nothing but Wi-Fi. So wireless fidelity. So it is nothing but wireless network technology that allows various devices like, let's say, mobiles, laptops or computers and various other equipments like, let's say, printers or cameras without any formal wired network. Okay, that means you can establish connection with your laptop to the printer with wireless fidelity, Wi-Fi. So that is one thing. So here the interface is nothing but the internet. Internet acts as the interface. With the help of internet, you will connect from with one device to another device. You will establish the communication. Okay. So here, what is the bandwidth and what is the other properties? Okay. When we look from the point of the bandwidth and other details, so usually its range of bandwidth, it ranges from 2.45 gigahertz to 2. It ranges up to 5 gigahertz speed. 5 gigahertz, 2.45 gigahertz to 5.5 gigahertz. That would be the frequency range. Okay. So then, what would be the distance of the Wi-Fi direct? So sorry, Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi's range would be in terms of meters. If we say, it will be at a range of 100 meters to 200 meters if it is extended form. Generally, it would be 100 meters. 100 meters would be the normal range. Okay, if the devices are located within 100 meters, then it can be established. So an extended versions with extendable form, so we can also have it to till 200 meters. 200 meters we are saying. Okay, so that is one thing. And what about with respect to speed of transmission of data? So speed of transmission of data will range from 10. Okay, so this is speed. Second one. So we mention it here. Okay, so with respect to speed, so it may range from, it may start from 10 Mbps to 1.3 Gbps, gigabytes per second. So 1.3 Gbps, gigabytes per second. That would be the speed of transmission of the data. Okay, so here in Wi-Fi direct, what kind of waves we'll use again? Same, radio waves. Here also we will use radio waves, Wi-Fi direct, and in Wi-Fi also we will use radio waves. Radio waves. So this would be used. So that is one thing. Okay, so here, as one student was asking about what about hotspot. Hotspot would be a kind of wireless LAN network like kind of thing. So where we will use hotspot as a tethering spot for accessing to the internet. So that is hotspot. Okay. So this is one basic information related to Wi-Fi. Okay. So then we will have the next important thing, that is the WiMAX. WiMAX. We'll also have Li-Fi, so we'll see what is Li-Fi so later on. So WiMAX, when we talk from the perspective of Wi-Fi, so the full form of Wi-Fi would be like wireless interoperability. Wireless interoperability for microwave access. So that is the full form. Wireless interoperability for microwave access. For microwave access. So that is the full form of WiMAX. Okay. So the name itself, it is talking about microwave access. Microwave access. So that means, you remember what kind of waves will be used in WiMAX? It would be microwaves. Microwaves will be used. So if you see Wi-Fi can be used to share the data within a specified range of, let's say, around 100 meters to 200 meters range. But WiMAX, if you talk from the perspective of WiMAX, with the help of WiMAX, we can share the data for over longer distances, and particularly for over for a big geographical areas also we can share. Okay, so WiMAX would be, it will have a wider access. Okay, from terms of access point of view, wider access will be there in WiMAX. Okay, so here, what is the bandwidth? So bandwidth would be, you see, around 10 to 50 gigahertz. See the range, 10 to 50 gigahertz, or further in sometimes, if it is the network is still faster, so we can have it up to 65 gigahertz also. 65 gigahertz. That means with this much band frequency range, this will work. Okay, so that means efficiency will increase, transmission of data will, and the thing would be that, like a clarity of the transmission of the data also will enhanced likewise. Okay, so then what about with respect to the it is with respect to speed. So speed will be there as in between this range only, so in between roughly, like let's say 10 Mbps to 100 Mbps, or like 1 Gbps, it would be there in and around this. Okay, but what about the distance? To which distance we can have it? So when we talk from the perspective of distance, so its distance may range up to 80 to 90 kilometers, or in simple way to say 100 kilometers. See the range, 100 kilometers, we can transmit the data in this range. So that is with respect to the WiMAX technology.